Hey loves, I am back with another video. This is going to be a wig try on and review on IC Hair. This is their Bone Straight unit, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, total bust down. Let's get into it. This is actually the unit after I had customized it. So I'm going to show you guys what I did to make this unit mine. Okay, so in the box, they included two HD lace wig caps. So I just put one of those on. It is very, very thin and sheer. I actually like these better than the original wig caps. And this is what we're doing today, girl. We're getting all into this. Check out this packaging. It is absolutely beautiful. I did open this package already. I just wanted to kind of show you guys everything. Look at this lace. It's already pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and the band in the back is adjustable and ready to go, baby. I did get a sleek mask that says Princess because this is their Princess collection. I got 6 pairs of lashes, which was very generous, an edges brush, and a band to melt that lace. This little card in our package to just pretty much tell you how to upkeep the unit and get the best wear from this unit. Now this unit has HD lace, and the HD lace is actually one of my favorite. It is very, very sheer, and it matches so many skin tones without giving you that like white looking lace look. So I'm just going to use this adjustable band, put the band on the back, and then pull the wig forward over the front of my head. This band is just going to give you that comfort and keep the wig positioned where it needs to be. If you need to tighten it up, you can definitely tighten that band in the back. And baby, this wig does not move. Like, it does not move. It is definitely glueless. I'm just pulling back all the hairs just from underneath the lace and the baby hairs back because I'm going to spray around the hairline, and I want to make sure those hairs do not get stuck in that process. I'm going to just spray around the edges with the Got To Be glue spray. And this stuff definitely holds the hell out of anything, baby. Like, it don't play no games. So you only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. And I'm going to use that band that they gave me in my package to melt my lace. And this is melting your lace is pretty much just laying down the actual lace, the edges, the baby hairs, everything laid down and secured to your forehead. I let that sit for about maybe 25 minutes. Now, I did do the next steps off camera. I did take a hot comb and a little of that wax balm and laid that right down where my part is in the middle on both sides. And I kind of used the hot comb to straighten and flatten the root area of the wig where my part is. And then I also took a flat iron to it just to get everything nice and equally straight all around the board. And then kind of fix my own baby hairs because I have baby hairs on the side where the lace is of my own hair, and just kind of blended that all in. Everything came out really, really cute, really good. I'm very, very happy with this quality of hair and the results of this wig. Hello, my loves. It has been a long, long time since I've been on here to talk to you guys. And I do apologize. You know, it's been definitely a long time. But I promise you guys, I will be back with more videos this year to finish off the rest of the year. I will definitely be dropping some new videos. But if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. This is going to be a review on IC Hair. This is the unit. This is the Bone Straight 22-inch pre-plucked, glueless, pre-bleached wig unit. It has HD lace here, as you can see. I kind of tried to customize it myself. This is my first time like customizing like a wig unit with the HD lace. I actually am loving this HD lace. It's really, really thin. This packaging is so like cute. It's so like luxurious. I love the pink and the gold. It's very like, it's giving chic luxury. This is the wig. Let me show you guys from the side what it's looking like. So I just flat ironed it, and then I put the hot comb here and in this area to like lay that down flat. And this is pretty much it. Like super low maintenance. I love it. I'll give it 5 stars. If you guys have tried this wig, comment below if you liked it or not. What were your concerns? And then if you guys aren't following me, hit that follow button. If you like this video, hit that like button. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.